Tonight, the troubled Los Padrinos Juvenile Hall is one step closer to reducing the number of kids they have at the facility.
And KCAL News assignment editor Mike Rogers has been following the problems at Padrinos for years. Mike, both sides were in court today. What happened?
Yeah, you know, Pat and Susie, they were. And ultimately, the Padrinos, or the Department of Probation, was in court today to present their plan to an LA County judge about how they were going to reduce the population. They've already been ordered to reduce it. Today's hearing was how they're going to get that done. And I want to show you why. Things like this video that surfaced last Christmas of the, 2 Christmases ago, rather, of this inside fight in one of the rooms there. Many of the guards standing by and watching, many of them charged criminally in this case. But it goes to a larger issue at Padrinos about the lack of staffing, the lack of being able to get kids to appointments, to medical and educational appointments. And the issue surrounding all of that is the number of staff they have in the facility. And the lack of staff has caused them to not be suitable to house children deemed by the state many, many, many times. So the solution was brought to reduce the population of kids by about 100. That plan was approved by a judge today. The kids that will be taken out of that facility will go to different places. Some of them will just be released back into the community if they are deemed to be able to do that. Others will go on house monitoring or other types of programs. Today, the LA County Public Defender, who represents many of these kids, spoke about the issue. So did Probation Department.
I'm the parent of teenagers. If I treated my boys in the way that our young people are treated in the probation system, someone would come and remove them from my home and place them somewhere else. And so what we're asking for is those same kind of care and consideration be part of the thoughtful process of what we do with our young people.
We really are confident that the plan is really going to address those issues at the foundation of these unsuitability findings and really try to place youth in the best of circumstances in terms of their safety, but also of their needs.
Yeah, you talk about reducing the number of youth. That means you won't have to have as many staff, right? Everything's a ratio balance here, and the lack of staff is why they keep being found unsuitable. Now, less kids hopefully will mean that they won't have to have such a staff issue, which means these kids can get to their appointments and other issues that had been arising at Los Padrinos. Remember, Los Padrinos was opened to solve the county's problems, and it has only become a much larger headache for them, guys.
Mike, thank you so much for that update.